How to transfer MKV to iPhone without converting. Want to know how to transfer MKV from computer to your iPhone without using iTunes or converters? It's actually very easy. What you will need: Mac or Windows PC, your MKV video file, and of course, your iPhone. First, download and install WALTR 2 MKV to iPhone transfer utility. Link will be in the description. Then, open up WALTR 2 and drag and drop the MKV files into WALTR 2. The MKV file just dropped into WALTR 2 will instantly show up on your iPhone. That's it. To enjoy your transferred MKV video, simply open the stock TV app on your iPhone. And that's WALTR 2.